Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Western Union account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect a debit card to your Western Union account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link a debit card to your Western Union account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request that you pay them through Western Union, and you need to have a payment method, and they do accept debit cards. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Western Union dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Western Union account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect a debit card to your Western Union account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see your profile information. However, to link or connect a debit card, scroll down until you see this line right here, payment preferences. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see these two options, credit debit cards or bank accounts. You want to be sure to click on credit or debit cards. Next, what you want to do is click on this button, add new card. Once you click on add new card, it's going to ask you to enter in the 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and 3-digit security code. And you also need to verify the address matches what your debit card company or bank has on file. After that, click on save. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in the required information. I'm going to click here on save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I've added my debit card right here. So I can now use this as a payment method to transfer money through Western Union. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your debit card to your Western Union account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.